preface, second paragraph from the bottom. As I use these terms, success has nothing to do with prestige symbols, but with creative accomplishment. Rightly speaking, no man should attempt to be a success, but every man can and should attempt to be successful. Trying to be a success in terms of acquiring prestige symbols and wearing certain badges leads to neuroticism and frustration and unhappiness. Striving to be successful brings not only material success, but satisfaction, fulfillment, and happiness. What's the difference then in being a success and being successful? Successful is the person who has the daily routine, the daily system, the daily plan, the daily goals, and he knocks them off every single day, gets it done. The system gets implemented, so at the end of the day, you can look back and say, today was a success. The person striving to be a success is looking for the day in the future